Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Renu Kumari, is going to present my topic scheming and scanning techniques to increase speed of reading. Before understanding what are the techniques to increase the speed of reading, you all should know what is scheming and scanning. So, firstly, here I will talk about skimming. Skimming is a type of quick reading where the readers look only for the general idea or a gist of a passage without reading in details. Skimming is one of a tool you can use to read more in less time. It helps us in reading quickly. Let's take an example to make it easy for you to understand. For example, newspaper. When a person wants to know what's going on in news, he will skim the newspaper by reading the heading and subheadings to know the gist of the news. Secondly, I will be talking about scanning. Scanning is a type of quick reading where the reader finds a specific information or a fact. Scanning helps you to locate a particular fact. It involves searching for specific info in text without reading every word. Let's take an example to make it easy for you. Finding an address or a phone number in a directory. Checking the bus or an airplane schedule. Nextly, next slides is about introduction to scheming and scanning techniques. I have mentioned here 3 points. Scheming and scanning are the speed reading techniques that help to increase the reading efficiently. Scheming involves quick reviewing the main points of a text to get the gist or a main idea. Scanning involves searching for specific information in a text without reading every word. So here I have also added one picture what to read while skimming. Here are the points like a keywords. Ignore details but you have to read keywords, bold words, heading or titles, first or a last sentence of a paragraph. My next slides is about benefits of skimming and scanning. Here I've also mentioned 3 points. Improve reading speed by focusing on a key information. You don't have to read in detail, you just want to focus on key information. Next point, enhance comprehension by extracting important detail efficiently. Thirdly, save time by quickly identifying relevant content. My next slide is about scheming techniques. So here I have mentioned 3 points. One by one we will read. Read the title or headings and a subheading to grasp the main ideas. Above I have given you an example of a newspaper. Secondly, scan the first and the last paragraph of each section for key information. Pay attention to a bold or a bullet points and a graphs for important details. So I've also added one picture here. Here is the basic method of scheming in which almost do by the people, like read the title, read the headline or a subheadline, read the whole first paragraph, read the first and the last sentence of each paragraph. Look at the illustration like a picture, charts, graph to give you more information about that topic. Look out the keywords. Read the whole last paragraph. Next slide is about scanning techniques. Use keywords or a phrase to guide you search for specific information. Move your eyes quickly down to page like a zigzag pattern to locate relevant detail. Ignore irrelevant information. Focus what you need to find. My next slide is about practice tip for scheming and scanning. Here I have mentioned 3 points. Let's read. Let's specific goal for your reading session to stay focused. Next, practice regularly to improve your speed or accuracy. Thirdly, take breaks to prevent eye strain and maintain concentration. My next slide is about common mistakes to avoid. We always do mistakes, and here I've mentioned some mistakes like skipping important details while skimming can lead to misunderstanding. Nextly, scanning too quickly may cause you to miss key information. Getting distracted by irrelevant content can slow down your reading speed. My next slide is about applying skimming and scanning in different settings. Here I have mentioned 3 points. Let's discuss. Let's read. Use skimming for quickly reviewing emails, articles, and reports. You don't have to read full detailed email or articles. You just want to read a review. Employ scanning when looking for specific data in research paper or a textbook. Adapt your speed reading techniques based on the type of material you are reading. Next slide is about conclusion. So here I will conclude it by saying skimming and scanning are effective techniques for increasing reading speed and comprehension. By practicing these methods regularly, you will become a more efficient reader. Remember to tailor your approach to skimming and scanning based on your reading goals and the type of content you are engaging with. Thank you. Have a nice day.